Hello there, everyone. Okay, so first off, it's been a very long time since I uploaded a video, so I want to welcome everyone back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a really quick unboxing video. I've been holding on to these packages to do this unboxing video for a minute now. I can't even tell you when I ordered it, but it was definitely a minute ago. Between being a new mother and having a little bit of a struggle with like wanting to make the perfect video for you guys, and at this point I'm just like, I just want to get started. I'm tired of procrastinating on this, and I'm ready to use my things. So I'm on my way out of town today. Me and my sister are getting ready to go on a Vegas trip, and so I need these products to take with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this recording done, do this unboxing with you guys, and stay with me. Okay, so the first one, I'm gonna start from the smaller box to the bigger box. So this first one I got is from MAC. I can't honestly remember what all I got from there, but as you can see, the box is still sealed. Is there a date on here anywhere? I ain't even telling y'all today because y'all gonna judge me. It's old, okay, but it's new to me today. So this is where we are. So we got the MAC packaging. Let's see. I kind of got an idea of what I got, but let's see. Ooh, this package is loaded. Okay, so in this one, I got the tapered angle brush, the 168S. Had a little bit of fallout. It's pretty soft to touch. A couple of the bristles that already came out, but okay. So this is supposed to be to do your contour with. So I will let you guys know how I like it. I've been wanting this for a very long time, and then I ordered it and took a very long time to open the package, but here we are. All right, and then I got my little travel bag that I'm taking with me to put my makeup in. This cute little Friends bag I found at Walmart. And I got my 2 foundations, some eyelashes, and some lipsticks and stuff I'm gonna put in here. All right, then we have a highlighter brush from the Stranger Things collection. Told y'all this package is old, but I was saving it for y'all. But red is my favorite color, so I absolutely had to have this brush. Look at it, it's so pretty, it's so soft. Even if I never use it, look at it. Oh my God. Yep, I'm excited about this one. Okay, so we got that. I'm gonna put that in there. And then I got this lipstick. I can't remember if it's from the Stranger Things collection too. I don't think so. It's from some kind of collection, but it's called, it's Magic Charmer. And it's a deep, like, burgundy. I was actually, when I picked this up, I was looking for a replacement for my Riri Talk That Talk collection that she had with MAC before she had a makeup line of her own. And there has been nothing like it since. There has been no Riri that talk since, and I broke mine, so I've been looking for a replacement for a long time. But this is what this one looks like. It's like a burgundy rich, deep burgundy maroonish color. Pretty. Taking it with me. Okay. And then I got Mix and Medium. So Mix and Medium is a product that MAC sells. I don't know if it's available. I have access to it because I have a cosmetology license. So I'm within their program to get the pro products. I'm not sure if this is still considered like a pro product, but this is the Mix and Medium, and it's just basically a solution. Instead of using like glue or something to put glitter on your eyes, you can use this and it'll stick and stay all day. And then I got this pink holographic 3D glitter, and then I'm gonna use the Mix and Medium to put it on. So that's that. Okay, and then last for this of what I ordered, I got this High Drama Retro Liquid Matte matte liquid lipstick, and it's the same kind of deep. This is more of a purple, very deep, very pretty. And this is what it looks like. This one is called, again, High Drama 106 High Drama. That's that one. Okay, I'm so excited. I forgot about my little stuff. Well, I didn't forget about it. I was saving it to show y'all. Okay, moving on. And then they gave me this little Fix Plus sample. I got to pick a sample, and this is what I picked. Little Fix Plus Magic Radiance All Day Hydration Spray with vitamin C. And it looks like this. And I'm gonna take my little sample with me. Okay. All right, so that's it for this box. We got a box from Ulta. I ordered this the same time that I ordered the MAC stuff. So, again, I've had these packages for a while. You see it's still sealed. I'm opening it up. So, with this one, I got this 9B Calm Me Baby palette by Morphe. It has 9 colors. At the time, I was obsessed with pink, and I still kind of am. Pink is not my favorite color, but I am currently obsessed with pink, as you can see. And this was like right after I had my baby, so like everything pink, I had to have it. And I had a boy, so I had to address the little girl that I fantasized about my whole life, of being able to put buttons and bows and embrace my son. So now I have to live my girly life through myself. So that's this pink. All right, so we got this 9B Calm Me Baby palette. All right, that's one thing I got. And then I got this Deluxe Definition Buffer Brush. M444 is the number. I guess I needed more brushes at the time. Very dense, but very soft. Yeah, this is gonna blend some stuff, okay? All right. And then I got a brush set. This has 5 brushes in it. It came in its own case. So this is a nice bag, and then it's like spill proof. I like that. I like the spill proof bags. All right. So here we go. brush. Got the powder brush, I believe. Yeah, it looks like a powder brush. We got the angle brush, which appear to be a little bit more angled than the back one I bought, but we shall see which one is my favorite. We got the stippling brush, flat top. And then we got this one, angle fluffy brush. Taper fluffy brush is the last one. Pretty. I'm so excited to take my new stuff with me. Alrighty. Okay, I got one more thing to show y'all, which is the biggest of them all and my latest. I don't want to say my latest purchase because I bought some other stuff since then, but this was a gift to myself. And it is this baby right here. Okay, so this baby is something that I had looked at for months that I wanted. And I finally, around like Black Friday, I think it was Cyber Monday that I ordered it. And I'm just not opening it. So here we go. May or may not take this one with me, but I want to open my stuff. So if I decide to take it, we've already had this moment. Okay, so this is a big box. Oh, got it upside down. Okay, so here we go. It's the Coach. Okay. Ooh, the presentation, honey. It's the presentation. I'm struggling. Okay. All right. Okay, so I got this. It came in a duster bag. Got it mighty tied up. Okay. Isn't she gorgeous? Yes, honey. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, how long I've been waiting to open this up. So I've been looking at it. I looked at it for months. And then finally, it got down to a price that I was comfortable with on Cyber Monday. And here she is. Isn't she gorgeous? Okay, so it's basically kind of like just a, kind of like a dump bag. It don't have that many compartments on the inside. But it's got this pretty red strap. And then these straps are just black. The detailing is just, man, out of sight. Of course, it has all of this paper on the inside to keep it. But I'm gonna try to show y'all. Well, I don't know why I'm trying to say the paper. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. Let's take it off. Okay, so here she is. Okay, so this is the inside. We got one pocket right there, and then the rest is just open space for you to do as you please with this hair bag. So I'm thinking about taking it as my carry-on bag and just kind of throwing my things in here. So that concludes my unboxing video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I am trying to get back into posting new content for everyone and getting my page back up and running. So let me know what type of videos you like. Let me know if you like this video. Share, like, and subscribe if I have any products that someone that you might know has been interested in. Kind of want to see how big the actual bags are versus on the website. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I love y'all. Gotta finish getting ready for my trip. Talk to you later. Bye.